Hi there, and welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we'll be looking at the 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. This particular vehicle, purple in color, also all-wheel drive with the 3.6 liter V6 with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is also a 7-seater. As you'd expect from the Denali trim, this GMC comes fairly loaded, with a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control buttons on one side, and your radio control buttons on the other. Just shy of 19,000 kilometers, this vehicle is sitting at 18,836 kilometers. Plenty of life left to live. You have a large touchscreen navigation system, as well as all your audio controls. This vehicle comes with heated front seats as well as cooled front seats. Traction control button, hazards button, plenty of space for your drinks. Wood grain interior as you'd expect from the luxurious Denali trim. Deep purple in color, this Denali does have the 20-inch wheel option. Also a standard OEM running boards. In the rear of this Denali, you have dual TV options in the headrests behind the driver and passenger seat, as well as heated seats and dual climate control in the rear. This particular vehicle has dual sunroofs, as well as optional seating in the back that fold down for a bigger trunk space. Thank you for taking a quick tour on this 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. We look forward to seeing you soon down at GSL GM City.